Hi everyone. So in this video you will learn how to get time zone in JavaScript. This is the output that you will get at the end of the tutorial. You can see I got a button here, get time zone. The moment when I will click on this button, I will get the time zone displayed here. So let me click it and you can see I am getting Asia, Calcutta because I'm currently in India. Let me change the time zone. So here in your system, just go to date and time and change your time zone. Let's make it Kathmandu. Click. You can see I'm getting Asia Kathmandu here. If I'll pick another one, for example Dhaka, I'll get Asia Dhaka. Same logic goes in case of Europe, London, or any other country. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. Now before I start this video, I request you to subscribe to the channel because we have created a lot of videos on JavaScript. If you go to home page and the videos section, you will find all those videos that we have created in the past, as well as we are uploading more and more videos on a regular basis. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and feel free to check out other videos that we have created. Let's get started. Let's create an index file here. It will be index.html. Now we need a basic HTML structure and a link to the style sheet. Also add a script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one button element. Let's make it get time zone. We need one span element to display the time zone. Initially we'll leave it empty. Let's create a style sheet here. Select the body element. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Line items will be center. And gap will be 10 pixels. Select the button element. Border will be none. Border radius will be around 10 pixels. Font weight will be bold. Font size will be around 16 pixels. Color will be white. Background color will be green. Padding will be 12 pixels. Select span element. Font size will be 25 pixels. Font weight will be bold. Let's create a script file here. It will be script.js. Select button element. Also select the span element. Add event listener to this button and event will be click. This will be the handler function. To get the time zone, we'll make use of intl object. So let's create a variable here, time zone. There we have a function datetime format. Then there is a function resolved options. And then there is a property time zone. And we'll display it in the span element using the inner text property. Now just save it. Open this file in the browser. Click on get time zone. You can see I'm getting currently Asia Calcutta. Let's change it. So let's go with Kabul. Click. So we are getting Asia Kabul. You can also try other countries. Let's go with this Nairobi. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.